Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the basics of Azure Data Factory in 5 minutes. So with this knowledge, you will know more than 50% of how to use this tool, this very easy tool. And let's go to the presentation and the basics, the 4 commandments that we need to learn. It's in this order. First, create a link service. Second, create a dataset. Third, create a pipeline. And four, if you want to schedule the pipeline, you could optionally create a trigger. So let's see what's all of this. What is the link service, dataset, and the pipeline? So let's go to this diagram, and the link service is nothing more than the connection that we want to set up. So let's imagine that we want to go from source to target. We have as a source or our Azure Blob Storage that we will have a file in JSON, and we want to build a pipeline. We want to build a road to put this file or convert this file into a CSV file, into a CSV format, sorry, in the same Azure Blob Storage. So first of all, we need to create the link service that we will see in a minute in practice. This could be an Azure Blob Storage, it could be an SQL server, it could be an Amazon S3 bucket, it could be an API. We will see the different connections that we have available and that you should check in the Microsoft documentation. This is always the best way to learn things from Azure. Go to the Microsoft documentation. Second of all, once we know the connections from where to go and where, then the second step is create our dataset. And the dataset, it means nothing more than tell Azure Data Factory which structure you want. Which we have for Azure Blob Storage, okay, but what type of file do you have there? It's a JSON file, it's a CSV file. Azure Data Factory doesn't know, so you need to tell him. You need to tell him or tell her. So you put a JSON here, and you in this case, we create a dataset in JSON and a dataset in CSV format. So by now we have one link service or Azure Blob Storage, two datasets in JSON and CSV format, and the third part is to build the pipeline. The pipeline will have all the configurations for from where it's taking this data from the source and to where it goes in the sink. Okay, so this is the 3 steps that we will see in the practice, plus we will see also how to create a trigger. So in order to check the theory that we learned, but in the practice, I will share in the description of the video the link where you can check of how I'm moving a JSON file to a CSV file in the same blob, from blob to blob. As well, you can see here, you can click and go to the next video if you want to check it now. Thanks for watching.